Who chose to meet this early?
Me, for fresh croissant.
Oh, you must be the new employee. Mwah. Mwah.
Welcome to Paris.
Here we do things the Agence Gratte way.
Wait, you mean our way?
Well, my way.
You mean this way?
No, this way. Follow me. There is one thing you never want to be. Boring. Be cool and chic. But don't try too hard. It's not cute. Et voilà.
But you must be careful not to make a faux pas. Especially in front of la boss.
Oui, c'est moi.
Let's walk, shall we? Here, we like the grand things in life. Films on big screens. Beautiful art. Et l'amour.
No, that's so cliché. You want fashion, fun, and drama.
No. What you want is big ideas.
You want fun.
Epic.
Chic.
Sleek.
Le sujet est clos.
Génial. Well, I can do that too.
You know what? Do not listen to him. What is your choice?
Yeah. Tap it. Tap it. Tap, light it, open it. Close it, attach it, and steady step it. Come on, just see the brightness. Let's just feel the lightness. So expressive, be expressive. Oh, style it, set it, show it, yeah. Tap it, tap it, snap it. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it.
Sorry. I'm with an icon. Made to be iconic.
Spotted! It's a brand new Phantom V Flip, the supermodel of mobiles. Finger acrobatics with this tiny wonder. Perfect for single-handed mastery.
Hey everyone, it's showtime!
Looks like someone needs to upgrade to something nimbler. Say hello to Phantom V Flip, a foldable sensation that's here to slay. Fits easily in purse, pocket, even a tight one. not to mention your handbag or backpack.
Get ready, everyone! Let's rock it!
Don't forget this one. Okay, perfect. Look at this. Beautiful, elegant, virtually weightless, and easily go with any outfit. The fantastic Mystic Dawn is enveloped by the premium lychee pattern vegan leather. Exquisite and elegant. Buckle up for the real deal of haute couture. Customize your cover screen like it's a planet of your own. Smile or frown. We've got T-emojis to match your mood and adorable 3D interactive pets that will definitely melt your heart.
Do you wanna be a bad man? Yes, you do.
Think of it as a trusted buddy, reminding you to everything, alerting you on rainy days, tracking your fitness data, and notifying you of key events. Or in a swipe without even flipping it open. The last season way of video call. With self-developed innovative water drop hinge, this baby can stand on its own. Do it like this. Free up your hand. And selfie? No more awkward arm stretches. Long exposures made a piece of cake with its standability. Behold the power of freedom. Now I'm right at the middle of a photo shoot set. Come with me to see where the fashion magic happens. Oh, it just keeps tracking on me.
Oh, no. Cut. Why do we... Ow!
With the 64MP high-definition camera lenses and RGBW biospectral technology. Capture true-to-life colors for professional-grade epic photos. Hey, you look like a roaring lion. Let's snap it. With a 32MP dual flash front camera, capture all the sharpness without overexposure. Action.
You're looking for a helping hand. You need a friendly face. Feeling good, you...
Don't forget this one. Still in power. Still have 50% power back in 15 minutes charging. Perfect all in pocket.
For the music, drip sweat, take a deep breath, reset. Bass driving, quick step. Feel the beat drop, no rejects. Scream louder, better yet. Grab speaker, mic check. Go.
Throw your hands up, that's it.
Throw your hands up, get set, go.
something, it's a good life, it's a good vibe, it's a good time. Yeah, we live it up. Let me show you something, yeah, we hanging out the window and we throw a little shaka with the pinky and the thumb. Like, let me show you something looking cute as a button, yeah, I got what they want. All the boys, yeah, they lining up. Let me show you something, yeah, I said what I said, cause we just getting started. No, you ain't seen nothing like this for that, a tit for tat. I put that thing on cruise control and lean it back. I'm on a roll and say it now in Espanol. Like mama's baby, yeah, let's go, let's go.
Let me show you something.
Yeah, let me show you something. Yeah, let me show you something.
Hello, Moto.
Look at me. What's how I do this here? Look at me.
Okay.
Galaxy Z Flip 5, you first. Well, well, well. The compact form factor, along with its timeless color palette, is a perfect balance of style and function. Stunning. In other words, wowzer! But don't take my word for it. Look! Love the form factor and pocketability? If pockets had feelings, they'd write love letters to this phone. Oh, new prompt.
What's pocketability?
This is pocketability. I never really had a pocket, but pocketability seems like a big hit with people who do. What's next? Hi. Oh, look at you, Flex Window. Are you saying a big flex window on a Galaxy Z Flip 5 delivers plenty of space for you to flex your style and showcase more personality? Big statement. Prove it. Is that all you got? Cool designs. Oh, wow, so many options. Stop! Ooh. Am I seeing double, or are you displaying multiple widgets at once? Oh, you want me to pick? Okay, how about music? Oh, yeah, here we go. FlexCam, let's do it. Let's see. This is her favorite. The rest? Delete. Hands-free. It's like a tripod. Camcorder mode. They see what you see. Wait. What's this? 12 megapixel pro-grade sensor rear camera. High-res FlexCam selfie. FlexCam seems like a unique reason to get Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let me go through it again. What did I learn? Big flex window. Widgets. Pocketability. FlexCam.